I tell my staff is there's kind of two paths that you can take as you move up in your career. And one is, generally speaking, the project management path, where you are you have a client-facing role responsible for delivery of the project. And then there's also like the technical expertise, where you can specialize in those aspects of the project. Or you can be like the design engineer, almost like a design manager, where you are the designer, you get the project done, but not necessarily have to do all the other aspects that come with project management, like client meetings, invoices, project reports, that sort of stuff. You can be that, and it's really whatever you'd like to do or not like to do. There's a role that you can play in every project.